It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry. Superhero setup.
What's up, Donnie?
Hey guys. My guys are always having inconsistent takeoffs on this machine. They're always either a little too high or a little too low. What do I need to do?
Is it time?
Oh, yeah.
No, not that.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
All right, Donnie.
Are you ready for the superhero setup?
Yes, sir.
Kapow! Position the machine. Set the toe points. Put the screed on the ground. Press the float button. Pull that slack out. Null the screws. Set those depth cranks. Now we'll set up the auger height. Calibrate your auger sensors. Fill the screen.